Welcome to Island Smile YouTube channel. For today's recipe, let's make this easy egg drop soup. It's healthy, light, and takes just 15 minutes to make. It's the perfect soup to keep you warm on a cold day. Here are the ingredients to make the egg drop soup. 5 cups of chicken broth. You can make the broth by dissolving 4 small cubes or 1 large chicken bouillon to make the broth. 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder, salt to season as needed, 1 teaspoon of fresh minced ginger or ginger powder, 1 teaspoon of freshly minced garlic or garlic powder, 2 tablespoons of corn flour and 1/4 cup of water to mix it in, 3 eggs, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder just to give it some color, and 1 tablespoon of sugar. Chopped scallions. To make the egg drop soup, to a bowl, break the eggs, add 3 tablespoons of water, and with a fork, lightly beat until smooth and set aside. Pour the chicken stock to the pan. While the broth gradually heats, add pepper, ginger. As mentioned earlier, you can add freshly minced ginger or the powder, garlic powder. Stir well and gently bring the broth to a boil. While the broth simmers, in a separate bowl, add the cornstarch and water. Mix until smooth and gently add to the broth. Stir, check on the taste and season with salt. Now, gently pour the beaten egg while stirring the soup. Pour in a steady stream to avoid lumpy pieces. Immediately start stirring. Add the turmeric and stir well. And finally add the sugar and stir. Check on the taste and season with salt. To really enjoy the soup, make sure to serve it warm. And this is your quick and easy egg drop soup. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. I'll see you soon with another great recipe you can try.